Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best running shoes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4, we have the New Balance Women's 608 V5 Cross Trainer. While this shoe is technically a cross trainer, it's versatile enough for light running and everyday wear. It features an Absorb heel crash pad that reduces the impact during heel strikes, offering superior underfoot comfort. The molded PU insert and relaxed fit last ensure a snug yet forgiving fit, making it ideal for casual runners or daily errands. New Balance is known for its commitment to research and development rather than flashy marketing, and this shoe reflects that philosophy. The design is simple yet functional, with a durable upper and a wide fit that accommodates various foot shapes. Performance-wise, it's not as specialized for running as others on the list, but it provides ample cushioning and support for shorter runs or walking sessions. The 608 V5 is an excellent value proposition for those looking for a versatile, durable shoe under $70. However, it might lack the advanced features and responsiveness that dedicated running shoes offer. Pros include affordability and versatility, while cons include limited breathability and less focus on running-specific technology. At number 3, we have the budget-friendly Under Armour Men's Charge Surge 4 sneaker, which comes in at just $43.95. This shoe is perfect for those who need a reliable running shoe without spending a fortune. It features a breathable mesh upper with synthetic overlays for added structure and support, ensuring your feet stay cool and comfortable during runs. Enhanced cushioning around the ankle collar and a deluxe comfort system sock liner provide excellent step-in comfort. The charged cushioning midsole offers great responsiveness and durability, making this shoe a solid choice for casual runners or beginners. The durable rubber outsole provides traction and flexibility, making it suitable for various terrains. While it lacks some of the premium features of higher-end models, its lightweight build and comfortable fit make it a fantastic entry-level option. Pros include its unbeatable price, lightweight design, and solid comfort. However, cons include limited advanced technology and less durability under heavy use compared to premium shoes. It's ideal for budget-conscious individuals looking to start their running journey without compromising on essential features. At number 2, we have the AS6 Mens Gelixite 10 running shoes, offering a great balance of comfort, support, and affordability. ASICS has long been a trusted name in running, and the Gelixite 10 is no exception. Its cushioning system, featuring gel technology, absorbs shock at impact and ensures a smooth transition from heel to toe, making it ideal for both short and long runs. The design focuses on lightweight performance, with a breathable upper that keeps your feet cool and a durable outsole for traction and stability. The shoe has a 10mm heel-to-toe drop, catering to runners who prefer a slightly more traditional running shoe profile. It's versatile enough for various running styles, whether you're hitting the pavement or the treadmill. While the Gelixite 10 delivers excellent comfort and durability, it doesn't quite pack the advanced features of ASIC's higher-end models. Pros include its shock absorption and lightweight design, while cons include limited advanced cushioning compared to premium shoes. It's a great choice for runners seeking a reliable mid-range option with no frills. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nike Pegasus 41 Men's Road Running Shoes. Known as the workhorse of Nike's running shoe lineup, the Pegasus 41 combines cutting-edge technology with a timeless design. It features ReactX foam, which provides 13% more energy return and reduces environmental impact compared to traditional foams. The dual zoom air elements in the forefoot and heel deliver a springy, energetic bounce, making this shoe perfect for high-performance runners. The shoe's redesigned upper is lighter and more breathable than previous models, ensuring a comfortable fit. The wider forefoot and heel provide added stability, while the integrated midfoot band hugs your foot for a secure yet forgiving feel. With a weight of just 297 grams and a 10mm heel-to-toe drop, this shoe excels in both comfort and responsiveness, making it ideal for long-distance runs. The Pegasus 41 is undoubtedly the premium choice on this list, with its advanced cushioning and eco-conscious materials. Pros include its superior energy return, lightweight build, and breathable design, while cons include its higher price point compared to other options. It's perfect for runners who demand top-tier performance and are willing to invest in the best. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.